Wahoo Docks now offers a catalog of their most common docks. While structural modifications cannot be made to these pre-designed docks, you do have the option to personalize the docks by changing decking type, sheet metal color, anchoring method, and much more. All offerings in the catalog come at a discounted price and can be expedited through design. But if you still wish to design a completely custom dock, the possibilities are endless with the Wahoo Portal quoting tool. To purchase a catalog dock, begin by logging in to the Wahoo portal and navigating to the catalog icon. The top left icon is your access to standard portal features. The catalog is organized by roof type. Begin by selecting the roof type that you want. Please note that in the top right corner is a back button to return to the previous screen when navigating through the catalog. Using the browser back button will return you to the portal home screen or previous page. There are various dock styles which can be selected with each roof type. Each option will present you with a brief description and an image of what the dock looks like. Once you have selected your dock, you can scroll down to view renderings, pictures, and CAD drawings. These basic CAD drawings will give you further details about the dock itself and are often widely accepted for many permitting processes. Clicking Print will open the standard drawings from the portal. Clicking Order makes a duplicate job from the catalog template and will require that you name this newly generated quote. Unlike custom portal quotes, catalog docks have a limited number of options and accessories available to choose from. Select your decking material for the lower level. Click on Roof and select your roof pole color, sheet metal color, and upper decking. The interlocking aluminum Aerodeck decking is the only option available for upper decks on catalog docks. To edit the length of the gangway, click on the gangway icon, click the selection tool, and then double-click the gangway. Maximum gangway length is 60 feet, and the only available gangway width for a catalog dock is 52 inches. You can choose between an arched or flat gangway. However, the dock hinge and shore hinge methods cannot be changed. By default, all catalog docks are anchored with a cable-to-shore anchoring method. This can be removed. If you need to anchor the dock differently, you may choose any of the available bolt-on anchoring options. On the Accessories tab, you can choose any accessories that do not affect the structure of the dock, such as dock boxes and kayak racks. The Miscellaneous tab is still available for you to enter dealer-supplied components and additional line items. Once you are ready, click Calculate to generate a price. The 3D button will provide a 3D rendering of your dock. You can now save the quote, and once you are ready, submit the order.